free audio library.
Hey YouTube, and welcome to another video where I'll be teaching you the Jamaican Patois. Alright, so today's phrase is, where are you going? Where are you going? In the Patwa it is, where ya go? Where ya go? Or where you are go. Alright, I hope that you learned something today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this the channel, and also leave your comments below. Alright, see you tomorrow when I'll be doing another episode in how to speak a Jamaican Patois. Alright, this has been your boy Kenny. Peace, I'm out.